Single attach na may malaking lote sa presyong abot kaya at available sa Pag-ibig Financing here in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Prime location pa tayo kaya wag mo nang palagpasin kasi bihira lang magkaroon ng gantong offer. So continue watching this house tour video dahil sure ako ito ng unit na para sa'yo. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, and I'm here to show you our Linea model here in Dasma. Napaka-affordable na nito considering na ang minimum lot area is 100 square meters at may floor area ka na rin na 77.25 square meters for a standard inner lot. Lot size goes up to 300 square meters kaya naman if yan ang target mo, wag ka na magpahuli. And yes, as you can see, this is our actual turnover unit. Basic finish ang deliverable which gives you the freedom to really customize the interior of the unit once ma-turnover na sa'yo ang bahay. At isa nga yan sa kinoconsider talaga ng most of our buyers right now dahil gusto talaga nilang i-customize yung pinaka-interior ng unit nila. Kagandahan pa, for this unit, meron ka ng provision for 1 to 2 carport, provision for 3 bedrooms, and spacious living dining kitchen area. And the best part, alam mo ba, for as low as 26,000 monthly down payment and monthly amortization through Pag-ibig Financing, pwede nang mapasayo si Linea unit. This is available only through Pag-ibig Financing on pre-selling stage kaya napaka-affordable pa and grab our introductory price. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Huwag ka na magpahuli para hindi ka maubusan ng unit. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!